Hi guys, and welcome to another chapter of the Salesforce Commerce Cloud Pro Tip series. This time I'm going to talk about pod notifications, point of delivery notifications. Have you ever experienced some issues while trying to connect to your business manager? Did you suffer some issues while connecting in the account manager, or you experience low or poor performance in your sandbox or development instance? To check if it's your fault or it's something that is happening on Commerce Cloud, we have available this website called trust.salesforce.com. Here you have different Salesforce Cloud listed, but in our case, we should click on B2C Commerce Cloud status, and then what we need to do is just select our pod number, and then let me check, for example, the pod number 113. You can take a look that all the Salesforce Commerce Cloud services are working as expected. As you can see, there are the B2C core is green, account manager is working well, card service as well. Everything looks smooth. You can take a look to the history, what happened in the last 7 days. If something happened, is we can check as well the schedule maintenance for your pod. You have here a subscribe button where you can enter your email address, and then every time that an issue or maintenance is going to happen to your pod number, you will receive an email, and you will be aware about, I don't know, maybe if the account manager is having some issues, well, you will be notified. If it's going to be a maintenance window for the next weekend, you will be aware of it. In the other hand, there is something that maybe you don't know, is how to know what is your pod number. Well, to know your pod number, you can go to the business manager. It works in sandboxes, this method. Go to administration tab, under site development, click on development setup, and then you will take a look for the log files and click on log center link. Once this page is loaded, you have the pod number in the URL. The first three numbers corresponds with your pod number. The last two is to know if it's related, the log center is related to primary instance or secondary instance group. So with this number, you can go to the trust status page, filter by B2C Commerce Cloud, and select your pod number and check if something is planned to your pod number or if something is happening there. You can also take a look to the maintenance, planned maintenance for all the pod numbers. As you can see here in April, there are some maintenance schedule.